Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I'm back with another video in the February niche idea series where I am going to choose 3 niches and do a journal, t-shirt, or interior design. So we did a journal cover on the first one and we did bubblegum day. So now we're going to move into another design. We're going to spin the wheel, choose, and either do an interior or a t-shirt. Had to remember. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So I'm going to go over to the wheel and we have left Valentine's Day and Black History Month. I'm going to click to spin. And ooh, by the chin, we have Black History Month. So I am going to challenge myself to do an interior for Black History Month. Let's see, we're gonna do 6 by 9.25 inches, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is interesting. I feel like I should do some type of fact thing or something like that on famous people. I'm gonna go over to probably Amazon and then Etsy to see if I can find something. All right, so let's see, Black History Journal, and then I'm gonna look for like Black History coloring pages maybe, or like fact sheets or Black History facts or something like that. I think that would be fun to explore. So we have some black seeds. So this is like something that I was thinking of, like what first came to my mind. So like telling about somebody, Black history, and then like facts, something like that. So when I say interior, it does not mean it does not matter exactly what the interior is. But I think I like that. So yeah, this is definitely something that I want to explore. Or like a puzzle. You could do like a puzzle. And here's like a coloring page. So I like this, like doing a date of birth, place of death, notable achievements. Ooh, I like this. This is cute, like a study page. Let's see if we have any more ideas. Okay, so first, now note that trademark infringement is huge. So I'm going to see if I can find Black History elements, Black History Month, just so I can see. So notably, Martin Luther King comes up, Muhammad Ali, Barack Obama, Serena Williams. I think this is I don't know. That might be Madam C.J. Walker or Mahalia Jackson. I don't know. I can't tell the pictures of everybody. So let's see. But it's good that they do have some pictures. So I'm probably going to go with Muhammad Ali. I do like that he is on there. And then let's see what else we have. So I know I put month, so I'm just gonna put Black History. Let's see if there's anything else that I could add in here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to text. Let's see. Let me just add a normal text and then pick something from the menu. And then I just need to make sure I spell Muhammad Ali's name right. I'm gonna put Black History Facts. So I'm going to move that to the top. Gonna make the picture just a tad bit smaller. Add that there. And I just want to make sure I spell his name right. Okay. Muhammad Ali. Gonna copy that. Gonna go over back to Canva. Gonna paste the wording in there. Gonna make that bold. I have to probably highlight it. Okay. Gonna move his name right below him. Okay, and let's go to some elements. And let's get started building out this page. So they have shapes here. They have the outline. Let's see. I'm going to use this one. And then we're going to copy that. And then we'll make it bigger down here. Okay, and let me see if I can find line. Okay, then we can make that line thinner. Make sure it's black. It's real thin. You can barely see it. It said it's black, but it don't look black. It says line weight. Let's go back. Let's go to 4. Okay, so we have 4. I want to see what 3 looks like. Okay, I'm going to copy that. Line that up. Now, I'm not sure if that's like a good position of like line space, but for right now it's gonna work. Let me move this real quick so I can group this, and then I can copy and paste more lines below. And again, I don't know if that's a good proportion from line to, you know, to write on, but I just want some lines down here to give space for writing. Okay, I'm gonna keep going till I fill up most of this space. Oh, let me pull that one down. There we go. Oop. Pull that down a little bit more. Oh, that one was hard. Why did I can't get that one to look good? Let's see. I don't like the spacing on that one, so I'm just going to delete it all the way. And then I can also pull this up if I needed to. And I can write something down at the bottom. Like the greatest, because that's what he was called. So I can make that smaller actually. I can leave this blank for the kids to write their facts. So I'll take this and I will actually hit a key here and just put facts. So then that they know that that's a spot for them to write information that they learn. This can actually go into like a book of facts about people for Black History. You can create more like this. You see that you do have pictures of other Black History leaders here. So like the list can basically go on. Now we're getting into other races, but you see what we have. So we have a Black History Facts interior for a journal, and I created this in Canva. Again, you see they had a lot of things like this, and let's see if I look up Black History downloads and see what they have. There's like lesson plans and printables and things like that. So again, the ideas and option are endless. You can make, like, this looks like digital downloads maybe for classrooms. So these are downloads for classrooms that are really beautiful with quotes from these people. So if I wanted to just snazz it up, I would take a quote. So I would just look up like a quote from Muhammad Ali, and then that would be something that could be there. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. We know that it's like the hugest one. But of course, always make sure that you check and make sure that you're not infringing on anyone's rights or anyone who has passed along on their estate rights. Because note that they will tear you down, they will make you pay money and things like that, and you don't want to find yourself in trouble. But this was a great idea to explore. And again, just do your due diligence, your research, and make sure anything that you're using is not trademarked. This is definitely for optic and tutorial purposes that I created this. If I had more time to do like real good research, I would definitely find out if I could use this image and things like that. The fact that it's on Canva and it's like an original art that's possibly someone else create, it's possibly okay. Then Canva also has their own license with stuff too. So again, so many things to think about when creating things like this, but I'm glad I was able to create a quick Black History Month interior for a journal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.